Good morning students, welcome to the class. Today we are going to start let us practice 5.3. Here students, the first one question, complete these factor trees. This one is one factor trees, you complete this one, you fill up this one, trees is there. Here 24 number is there students. This 24 number 6 4 ja 24. Okay students, 6 4 ja 24, and here again 6 number 2 divides is there. This 6 is which tables coming? 3 2 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6. You write here 3 2 ja 6, and here this one is 4 number, 2 2 ja 4 is there, 2 2 ja 4. Here you see there. Here student 24 is there, 6 4 ja 24, and here 6 number means here write 3 and here write 2. 3 2 ja 6, and here 4 2 2 ja 4 is there students, and here this one is there, 18 is there here students. 3 6 ja 18, and this 6 is divides 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, and here 20 is there students. 2 10 ja 20, this one already wrote here. 2 10 ja 20, this 10 is 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10, and here students 32 is there. This 32 is which tables coming here students? 32 is which tables coming? 8 4 8 ja 32 also coming. Yes, no? 8 4 ja 32 also coming. You write here 8 4 ja 32, and here 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. Again here 32 students. This one is 32. Here 2 number is there. You write here 32, 2 write here. 2 1 ja 2, 3 minus 2 1, and this 2 is as it is right. 2 6 the 12 is there. Here students 16 coming. 2 16 ja 32 is there. 2 16 the 32. This 16 table 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 16, and this 8 2 4 ja 8, and this 4 2 2 ja 4 is there. Okay students, again here students, write the next 5 multiples of each number. Here you write students 5 multiples of each number. You write here 4 1 ja table 5 is there here. Okay students, here students 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24. This like right here students. This one you carefully here you see there students. 4 1 ja 4, this one factor, this one factor of this one is multiple is there. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, 4 7 ja 28, 4 8 ja 32. This one is called multiple students. Okay students, this one is called multiples. You write 5 multiples means 4 8 12. This 2 already wrote there. You write 12 16 20 24 28 32. This one is multiples. You write tables is there. Here students 4 8 12 16 20 24 28, and here 11 22. Here write 11 3 ja 33, 11 4 ja 44, 11 5 ja 55, 11 6 ja 66, 11 7 ja 77. There only 5 multiples are asking their students. 1 2 3 4 5 multiples. And here 12 on the table, here write students. 12 on the 12, 12 to the 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60, 12 6 ja 72, 12 8 ja 84, sorry 12 7 ja 84. The here 1 2 3 4 5 multiples is there. Here also same students. Okay students. And here calculate and give reason. Here A1 is 42 a multiple of 8. This 42 number is in 8 1 table? No students. 8 1 table 42? No. 8 5 ja 40. 8 6 ja 48 is coming. This one is not. This one is exactly not divide students. Okay. Here write no students. And 8 is exactly not divide 42 number. Okay students, you see there 42 8 8 5 ja 40. Here remainder 2 coming. When remainder coming, this one is exactly not divide, otherwise you write there no. Yes or no asking, and give reason is there. No, because 8 not exactly divide 42. 8 not exactly divide 42. And here students, is 27 a multiple of 3? Yes, because 3 9 are 27. This 3 is exactly divide 27. Here write students, yes, because 3 is exactly divide 27. Here you see there 27. 3 9 ja 27. 0 coming. When remainder 0 coming, this one is exactly divide. You write here yes, because 3 exactly divide 27. Okay students, you try. This one is there. Here this one also students, 18 a multiple of 2. 2 9 ja 18. This one is exactly divide, otherwise yes write here, because 2 is exactly divide 18 number. And here 56 a multiple of 7. Yes, 7 8 ja 56. This one is exactly divide. 5 7 ja 35. This one also exactly divide. 9 9 ja 81. This one also exactly divide. Okay students.